Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. Another song from Tems here. This time collab with J. Cole. This one is called Free Fall. Alright, so we have the same chord progression throughout this song, and we're gonna look at the picking pattern, which could be a bit challenging because of the speed, but you can also use a strumming pattern and go back and forth here. So that is great. Two options. Let's take a look at this song with the capo set on the 7th fret. Why? Because we want to have the easiest grips chords possible combined with the right sounding here, the higher notes. So that is a great combo. Capo on 7th, that's where we are playing. So with that, we have a couple of chords, 3. Let's take a look at the chords. So we will start with the D minor 7. Right, so I play the open D, the second G, the first B, and first E. What I do here for the B and E string, I just add on a short little bar there on the first fret, and then the second G string and the open D. That's the D minor 7. The next chord is the A sharp. Go with the sus version. That's a bar chord, so you play the bar on the first fret. You don't have to bar the last E string here in the bass, but the 5 strings below you have to, and then you need to add 3rd on D and 3rd on G. And the third and final chord will be actually a combined A minor, but with the C note in the bass. Looks like this. If that is too hard for you, I'm gonna show you just how to go with the C chord, but this is what I suggest you do if you can. So that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. If this is too many fingers involved in this chord and too close to each other and all that, you just let this 2nd fret G string go, and you go with a standard C. That will be the closest thing you get to this chord, just with the standard. So that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Right? So either the A minor C or just the C. So there you have the chord progression. Now let's go into the hardest part. You have to practice this slowly. That's what I believe is the best here, and then work the speed up here gradually. So we're gonna start with the D minor 7. It goes like this. You're gonna play it for 2 times. So I start with the chord position. That is the starting point. You're gonna play open D, 2nd G, 1st E. Then you go open D, 2nd G, and open E. So I lift off this little bar there, and then I go, that is open D, 2nd G, 1st B, then open D, 2nd G, and then open D, 2nd G, and 1st B. So that is 1 round. You play for 2 rounds. So slowly. Notice I'm making a short little pause there after the 2nd fret G string there for the 4th time. I play a little pause there, and then I play the last part there. So a little bit faster it goes. Again. Right, that is a round there. You're gonna play 2 rounds of that, so totally it will be like this. Alright, so that's the D minor part. So let's go over to the A sharp, okay? So you don't have to hold the full bar now, you just go with this. That's the absolute best scenario, I think, when it comes to holding this while you're playing the picking pattern. So just your index on the 1st fret A string, and then your ring or whatever your finger you use there on the 3rd D, and then also the 3rd G. I believe the best scenario will be absolutely to have the ring finger on the 3rd D and little pinky on the 3rd G, because you're gonna use this mid finger here on the 2nd fret, all right? So that's the starting point. You're gonna play this part. So you work pretty much in the same patterns here as you played for the D minor. Now you play the 1st fret A string, 3rd D, 3rd G, then again 1st A, 3rd D, and now 2nd G. This is where the mid finger comes in there, and then you go back to play the 1st A, 3rd D, and then 3rd D. You go back with a little pinky there, and then you do that again, 1st A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. And then finally, 1st A and 3rd D. So that is one round. And you're gonna play only for one round. It goes like this slowly. After you play the 2nd G there for the last time, you have a short little pause and then just add on the 2 notes like this. Okay, so a little bit faster it goes. Again. Like that, okay? And then we have the final part. What I do here, the A minor C, I play a little short little bar there on the D and G string. That's the notes, or the string, sorry, we need to incorporate, but I'm gonna also add the 3rd fret A string. So I play the bar with my index finger on the 2nd fret there, the G and the D string, and then I add on with my mid finger the 3rd fret A string. This is my grip. Okay, so it goes like this. Sorry. That sounded better, okay? So it starts like 3rd A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd D, 3rd A, then 2nd G, 2nd D, and 3rd A. So this pattern here changes a little bit. You go kind of down in the pyramid and back on the way up. Before we just had bass D, just downs pretty much like this. But now you have like the pyramid shape. So you go like that. And then you have the added notes. 4th A, 2 times on the open D, and then 2nd D. And that's the end of the melody. So the final chord here, the A minor C or the C chord, will be so together. I'm gonna play it for you. 2 rounds of D minor, 1 of A sharp, and 1 of A minor C. It goes like this. Slip a little bit there on the A minor C. It's actually harder to play almost every time when you slow down in tempo. When you learn to play with speed, it's actually easier to go with the speed. So something like this, I believe, should sound better. Alright, so there you have the melody. A bit challenging, takes some time to get up in speed here. I could use some more practice for this one, but anyway, let's go into the strumming pattern. So we have, of course, the same chord progression there, D minor, A sharp, and A minor C. Now we're gonna use a strumming pattern. If you grab the first chord, the D minor 7 chord, one strumming round goes down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. So down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. That's so down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. That works for this song. So you're gonna play now 4 rounds on the D minor 7. So 4 string rounds D minor, 2 on the A sharp and 2 on the A minor C. So you double up there if you compare it to the melody rounds. So so this is Tems, J. Cole's Free Fall. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. And yeah, I'm aware of you have to practice your finger picking, or if you use a pick. And then yeah, that's a challenging song. Give it a try if you really wanna challenge yourself and kind of push the envelope when it comes to your own preferences and try to do something new. Then this is for you guys. So hope you enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to support Penguin Guitar, like this tutorial, and until next time, play tuned.